Hello, I'm Dr. Marty Romero. Welcome to Math 180, Calculus 1. I'm going to take a few minutes in this video to explain to you kind of our course layout and design, and then I'll also post another video later around how to learn in the class. So this was just an overview. So this is our course homepage. You'll take a look. I'll have the information for the Math Center, the Learning Center, in case you're looking to get on campus or do online tutoring with the Math Center, the Learning Center. So there'll be information there and a reminder of how to use Pronto to get help in class also. You will also see on the cover of our homepage, our course homepage, is our calendar, kind of just a general outline of assignments, when they're due, and how to stay on pace with the class, and also the big assignments like the midterm, the unit review problems, the concept quizzes. So you'll find that there. That will also then appear on the to-do list as those things start to come due on the dates, and you'll see that. You can also find those in the calendar, the course calendar. You will also see assignments and the due dates there. This is just an overview of all at once there. So when you get started now, you're going to go into the modules, and what you're going to see in the modules, you will see modules, and you'll see I have the Unit 1 module, Unit 2, Unit 3, and then there's Unit 4 and 5. You will also see modules for resources and some other information here. Additionally, what you're going to see here is the NetTutor. It's another resource you have to get support online help. So that's there, and that's free for all online students at Santa Ana College, I think up to 10 hours. The other services are free. Unit 1 is where we'll get started. I'll later add another module with all the assessments, the quizzes, and exam information. That will pop up soon. But for now, you're going to get started on Unit 1. And what you will see in Unit 1 is the information for the course, the syllabus, how to learn in this class video, what to do if you're stuck, information on the textbook as you can read yourself. These are formulas that you should know by now or have experience with. And then this here is the list, the formula list that will be provided on the exams, which will be done on Proctorio. So hopefully that works. Now, if anyone needs to set arrangements to come to campus, we can set something in the assessment center, but I'll send an announcement out soon in case someone really wants to come in person, go to the assessment center to do that. Pronto is another resource that we're going to use in class to help each other. And this is information how to get started if you're not using Pronto yet. Most importantly, your first day assignments are due tomorrow at some point. You want to complete these, and then the math preparation checklist is for the second day. But these are the non-kind of math. This is an introduction to our online math system. This is go through so you can make sure you're prepared and have all the resources you need to be successful in this class, and then an opportunity for us to get to know each other, get to know you post, since we are going to rely on each other to be successful in this class. So a little time to do that there. Once you're ready to go, you'll start on units 2, 3, 4, and 5. You'll see the different units here. 2 and 3 are for the midterm. 4 and 5 will be for the final. And when you click on any of these units, we'll start with 2 since that's the first one you'll get going. You will see a list of things, so you want to get acclimated. So Unit 2 has 5 sections, and they're labeled there. Each section has the objectives, the link to the textbook, our free textbook, a reference sheet of important formulas, whether you don't have to print out or whether it's up to you, but it's access to the key formulas for each section. And then you have extra videos here, supplemental videos to support your learning within the class. But I'll explain further how to learn in the class in another video. What you are going to use is the lecture notes that I've provided, and then there's solutions to the lecture notes and links to videos inside the lecture notes so that you could be prepared. And then the solutions you could use so that you could take notes from and use those, or you could, it's aligned to the textbook, so you could also use the textbook to do that. And then I want to let you know at the very top is homework help. It's a link to hints and actually maybe doing sample problems to most of the problems, not just in this unit, but all units. And so you'll see the same setup for all of them. And so what you do is you just march your way down through the class. Exercise 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, you continue on. And at the end of the unit, you have written work that you will turn in, and there are instructions for that. And part of learning is being really neat with your work, keeping it together, organized, especially the online homework part. And so here you'll submit some evidence of your written work from the online homework, and you'll see the instructions here. And I'll post a video in here also just to make sure you're clear on what to do there. But you'll see that also at the bottom of a unit, and then the rest of the units follow the same way. Now, a couple of things again, if you'll see the syllabus, and then you had the calendar there, you'll see the full syllabus. I want to make sure you go through the full syllabus, read it, see if there's any questions. It's an outline of the different assignments we have, what we're doing in the class, the midterm and final information. Again, I'll be posting that, our grading situation, how the course is distributed with final and midterm. So that's 30% each. So that's a pretty big chunk of the class. Concept quizzes are 10. All the homework are 20%, and this is a section I do drop. And then you also have the written review problems discussion board from each unit. So that's 10%. So you want to look at that. Of course, get through all of this. You can take your time to do that, and let me know if you have any questions. But that's our introduction to the class. I think one last thing, I guess, if you're going to contact me, email and Pronto are going to be the best way. Pronto will be the most, I think, efficient way to do it for especially short questions or we're doing homework help. But that'll be it for now, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.